People have this question, how can sleeping affect their weight loss journey? So I'll explain you why. So there are two hormones, one is ghrelin and one is leptin. Now, if we are sleep deprived or we are sleeping extremely late, what happens? Ghrelin hormone increases and next day we become very hungry, we crave for sweet, we crave for carbohydrates, and this causes us to binge eat. And another thing what happens is ghrelin increases while the leptin goes down, and leptin is the hormone which makes us feel satiated, which makes us feel full. So by not sleeping, what we are doing, we are reducing the leptin, increasing the ghrelin, we are binging on the junk food which is simple carbs, and we are not feeling satiated. So hope you understand now how sleep and losing weight are so strongly related. Be informed.